nalalapit na halalan, panawagan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa media ang pagtitiyak ng isang malinis, tapat at transparent midterm election sa susunod na taon. Yan ang ulat ni Alan Francisco.
I urge you to remain steadfast in these principles that protect the trust bestowed to all of us by the Filipino people.
Yan ang panawagan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa mga taga-media na tumulong sa pagtitiyak ng isang malinis, tapat at transparent na midterm election sa susunod na taon, kasabay ng pagprotekta sa demokrasya ng bansa.
An informed citizenry is the foundation of a truly working democracy, for it is the people, armed with the truth, from whom power emanates and who demand accountability.
Sinabi yan ng Pangulo nang dumalo siya sa 50th Top Level Management Conference na inorganisa ng Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas. Taunang conference ito ng KBP para talakayin ang iba't ibang broadcast media trends at mga plano para sa industriya ng pamamahayag.
Let us also explore new and creative ways to engage and inspire the public. We need a citizenry that is not only informed, but is also actively involved, vigilant, ready to defend the values that we hold dear.
Kasabay naman nito ang pagbibigay diin aniya ng gobyerno na pagprotekta sa kapakanan ng sektor ng media sa ilalim ng pamumuno ng bagong talagang si Presidential Task Force on Media Security Executive Director Jose Torres.
In particular, I ask the PT firms to focus their efforts on the media, of the members of the local media, whose fearless coverage makes them particularly vulnerable to threats against life, liberty, and security. I have also directed the PT firms to intensify and strengthen partnerships with the media such as Kapisanan ng mga Broadcaster ng Pilipinas, the National Press Club, the National Union of Journalists of the Philippines, and other concerned groups.
Bahagian niya ito ng hakbang ng gobyerno na depensahan ng katotohanan at tugunan ang demands ng modern press.
With technological advancements and the popularity of social media, we have seen a rise in disinformation and misinformation campaigns that could undermine public trust in the entire democratic process, including elections. In this regard, media plays a vital role in dispelling the noxious influence of misinformation, dismantling the lies that are spread by troll farms and other malicious organizations.
Alan Francisco para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.